in your NCERT book also. Now see here, we have marked this Ganga action plan, coliform bacteria. Now there are 5 R's to save the environment. Mark this: refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle. And write one more here only. The 6th R also, that is recover. So you can go through these points, but apni wording mein you can explain these points. No need of writing everything from the book, right? Reduce my here, it is given save electricity. How? By switching off unnecessary lights and fans, right? Refuse mein, that refuse to buy product that can harm. Now China door, patang udate ho, that is China door, that is harming us. Every year you will come to know that ki right. Now reuse mein you can use the envelopes here. You can use envelopes, you can use plastic bottles and other things you can write by yourself. Now coming to repurpose, that is cracked crockery or broken cups can be used to grow some plants. कई बार हमारे ग्लास के बड़े बड़े कंटेनर्स टूट जाते हैं ना, instead of throwing we can use to grow small plants or even feeding vessels for birds. बाहर रख देते हैं, उसमें पानी वगैरह डाल दो, you can use for that also. Last one is recycle. Recycle, that is paper, glass, plastic, you can recycle these materials. In that way you can save your plants also, you can save your non-renewable resources also, right? Right. And this is called sustainable development because we are not disturbing our natural resources, right? What is sustainable development? Can you tell me? I told you in 9th class also. What is sustainable development? Yes,
development space without harming the environment and the needs of the future generation.
Yes, without harming natural resources, we are thinking of new method, new techniques, right? For the needs of future generation. That is called sustainable development, right? Clear? So this sustainable development, it implies a change in. By this we have changed our lifestyle. बहुत कुछ हमने चेंज कर लिया है, अपना लिविंग स्टाइल, अपना पोल्यूशन कम किया है. So we have improved our socio economic and environmental conditions. अगर कचरा बाहर फेंक दोगे तो लड़ाई होती रहेगी पड़ोसियों के साथ, ठीक है? So we have मेंटेन आवर सोशल, क्योंकि कई लोगों की आदत क्या है, घर के बाहर कचरा फेंक देते हैं, फिर दूसरे पड़ोसी लड़ते हैं. सो इफ वी आर यूजिंग दिस वेस्ट एज टू कन्वर्ट इन कंपोस्ट और टू गिविंग अ पीपल व्हिच कैन रिसाइकल, तो क्या होगा, हमारा एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन रहेगा, सोशली आल्सो वी विल साउंड, इकोनॉमिकली आल्सो विल साउंड. क्योंकि इस जमाने में no, what is that? You are under recording, students. Now, why do we need to manage our resources? I have given you why 5 R's. तो वही points आपके यहाँ पर आएंगे, right? You can write that why do we need to manage our resources, right? To conserve energy. I have given you the slide in which mentioning that 5 R's, right? That you can write this slide. You can write this points from this slide. Okay? Clear? For this question, you can write the answer from there, or you can collect the point from here, but I have given you on the slide, so you can write from here. Clear? Clear? So till here I have completed the chapter, and next class we are going to start about forest and wildlife. Clear? So tomorrow also we are having class. So we'll start from the forest and wildlife. Okay? So anything if you want to ask, you can ask.